Hello everybody, welcome to the final part of my Scratch tutorial. In this part, we're going to make the title screen and make the game look a little better in general. So we're going to make a new sprite for the title screen and we're going to make the title. So let's just grab this, let's make this like a little lighter. So saturation up, like that. That looks pretty good. Set the X and Y to 0, 0. And now it's like that. So we're going to make it so it hides the variable when it starts. So just gonna make another one for lives. Now, see, it hides it. But we also gotta make it so the game only starts. Never mind. We're gonna continue with this. We're gonna do that later. So we're going to make. I'm gonna grab this guy. Alright, so we gotta copy this guy right here. So, copy, paste. Now he's in the front picture. We gotta make him a little bigger. We gotta make this look really good. Oh my god. Can't. There we go. It's way bigger now. Let's make him tilt a little bit for some effect. A little bit bigger. Make him big so you can actually notice what the game is. Now I'm just gonna put how about we're gonna make this nice red color. And we're gonna make it a nice I'm trying to find a font that will look good. Okay. I'm gonna just we're gonna make it larger. So Apple Collector. Hopefully that's how you spell collector. And then we make it bigger. If that's not how you spell collector, I'm gonna just collector. That's close enough. How about we make the A, we have to put like an apple, probably. So, let's go to food. Grab an apple. Copy. Paste the apple. Make it way bigger. Put it right here. Ooh, a little too big. A little smaller. There. There's the title. There's the front page. Now I gotta make the button. So we're just gonna add the button. Let's make a small little button. About this big. Position it down here. It's a little too big, so we're just gonna make it a little smaller. There we go. It's way smaller now. We're gonna make it a different color. A nice green, you know? Green look good. No, it doesn't match. It doesn't match the theme, so we're just gonna make, instead of making it green, we're gonna make it red. Now we're gonna put the letter start on it. So let's make it really dark red and put start. There. Start button. Center it. There we go. Start. Now we're going to duplicate the costume and make the costume have no, like the outline is going to be, it's going to be an outline. And that, and then that. We gotta make the outline a lot bigger. So it goes from this to this. Nah, that looks bad. Let's just delete that and try again. How about make it turn green, you know? Bird. Bird is the word. Nice green. Change this to also be green. So now when he hovers over it, it's going to turn green. But first we gotta now we gotta change all the player sprites. So, wait, never mind. We gotta go into here. We already did that. And take away start. Just delete start. Make start not happen. Only make start happen when this is clicked. So, when clicked, hide, and broadcast start. Also, we gotta do something else. We gotta make it so when green flag clicked, forever. If sensing, if touching mouse pointer, then we should no. If else, sorry, my brain. I'm so sorry for wasting all your time so far. If else, switch to costume 2, and then switch to costume 1. But when if I click set costume to 1, see now it. Sorry, it made me. Switch costume to 1. Okay, see now it does that. You may not like that. You can make the colors however you want, but for now we're just gonna do this. Now, when I receive start, hide, now. Let's see what happens if we die. Died. And then it broadcasts start. We don't want that. So, death, when receive death. Death. Where? Oh yeah, it's in the death sprite, sorry. When I receive clicked, it's gonna send it to homepage. So homepage, make a new broadcast. Title page. And then when I receive title page, I receive when green flag clicked. Title. Oh, I forgot to use when green flag clicked. Show. When I receive title page. Show. When I receive title page. Show. Where's show? God damn it, where's show? There, sorry. See, it's not showing. We gotta make it so it shows when we start. There we go. Let's see if it works now. God damn it, is it doing the layer thing again? Why is it doing the layer thing again? Bird is doing... Yeah, it's doing the layer thing again. Why? Why are you doing the layer thing? Maybe one green flag clicked. Broadcast homepage. Maybe that. We'll fix a little problem. Let's try this again. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. We'll fix it in the next one. Actually, no, never mind. I'm just gonna pause and come back. I'll be back. Alrighty. We gotta fix the problem. I don't exactly remember how I fixed this problem, but try remember. So, I'll get back to you when I figure out how to fix it. I think I figured it out. The thing is, we need it to, when it says death, we also need it to go to here. Let's see if it works now. No, what? I'm so confused. Why isn't it working? Oh my god. Why? Why? Why isn't it working? Why? Is it in the death script? See, it does that, and then it... Wait. What? It's fixed! Yo, we fixed it! Oh wait, we forgot to... When I receive... Start... Show these. Actually, no, we gotta go to a better one. This one. Yeah, there we go. When I receive start... Show these variables. So hide score. We've got to change that to score. Now set. No, not set. Sorry. Show high score. Show high score. No. Show lives and then show score. There we go. Now I'm just gonna. There. Now the game itself is finished. I hope you enjoyed the final part of this tutorial. If you want to, you can make it more polished. So when he receives death, it also hides the variables. Like this. So now the actual game it's done. You can add title music just how we added the background music for the game. And that's it. That's it. That's the entire tutorial. You can make this price however you want. You can do whatever you want with it. And bye!